Elog number 2, board game. As you know, there are a lot of board games in the world with a lot of kind, strategy, hidden room, card, and in Vietnam, the most popular board game are Uno, Kitten, Explode, and Werewolf in the holliw. For me, I really like the hidden board game, so that's why I bought all the version of Werewolf in the holliw, or in Vietnam we even just call the Werewolf. We have here Werewolf character, Werewolf 19 Daybreak, and Werewolf 19. Today I will introduce you each of them. The first Werewolf character, the original version of Werewolf. In the board game we have the card of the event, the rule, and the card. There are two main sides when you play Werewolf: the villagers and the werewolf. With the werewolf, we have the wolf. Come on. The white werewolf. The old werewolf, or Godfather werewolf, I think. Yeah. Maybe that's all the main werewolf. Sorry, I forgot one more. This is a mistake because this is a cursed werewolf, and this will be the old werewolf or Godfather werewolf, as I said before. Sorry, my mistake. And let me see. It is a dog, not a werewolf, so don't make a mistake when you play it. Okay, that is all about the werewolf side in the werewolf character, and we will come to the villager. There are a lot of roles for the villager, but I cannot introduce all of you. I cannot introduce to you about all of it. I can just talk about some main character. We have here the hunter. He will aim one player each night, and when everyone wake up, if he dead, this man will dead. It cannot be encountered. This man that the hunter aim will dead if the hunter dead by any way. The villager, he has nothing to do but sleep, and when wake up, and if he alive in a lucky way, he will make a discussion with everyone and vote for the hand person. Sorry, mistake again. This is a rule. It's not a basic character, but you can put him onto the game for a few fun. If he's be hanged, he will show his role and didn't be hanged because the village thinks that he's a rule. He cannot do anything. So from that time he cannot vote, but still can discussion with every people. The god, each night the god will choose a person to protect. He can protect himself but in the two continuous night he cannot protect the same person. The witch had two times to active her role. One is kill someone by a poison, and the one is make someone reborn by a holy water. A seer. Each night a seer can tune a person to see, and she will know that person is a werewolf or not. And that's all. Each night, so everyone will go to sleep with the closed eyes, and the moderator will wake each person wake up each time to do his role, and on the night and on the day they will have to discuss to find out the werewolf and vote to hang the one person, and if all the werewolf die, the villager win, and if the villager die, all the werewolf win. There are some rules for the third side, but it's not common in werewolf game, so I will not talk here. The werewolf in holliw is real fun because it is a hidden role play. You can try out some kind of hidden role play like coup or bang, but I think the werewolf in holliw is more interesting because it's when you play it, you need to think a lot. You need to consider about the talking of the other. You have to decide that they are alive or not. The problem is you don't know their role. So if a werewolf fake to be a seer, it will be a disaster if you believe it. The disadvantage of the werewolf in holliw is it takes a long time to play if you had more people. I used to be a moderator of a game with 20 people, and it takes me an hour to end the game, and it's real long. And the other disadvantage of the werewolf on the holliw is you cannot play if you only have a few people. So sometimes when I go with my friends, there are the three of us, and we cannot play the wolf in this board game because there are too few roles for us to play like that. So we have another kind of werewolf, the werewolf one night and the werewolf one night daybreak. The way you play two kind of board game are the same. And remember, the werewolf one night daybreak is only an extension of werewolf one night, but you can play this board game alone. In the board we also have the rule. It will explain you the role, the active of each person at night. The card and the token. There are two kinds of tokens in werewolf one night daybreak. There are a token of a token of character. Here, as you can see the number, it will be decide the time when a person do his active, and a token of thing. The way to play Wolf one night is much more faster than Wolf in the hollow. You will get the card the same number, the same amount of card with the people, the group. For example, if your group had 3 people, so I get 3 cards and the extra 4 cards. Shuffle is divide the card to the people and face down 3 cards. And when the night comes, these people will wake up, do their activation, follow the rules, and then go to sleep. There one thing need to be noted. The wolf didn't kill anyone, and when the day comes, everyone will need to discuss to each other, exchange information, and think to find out the wolf, and they need to vote. If the hand people are wolf, the villager wins, and if not, the wolf win for sure. The advantage of this version is you can play it for few people and you play fast, because you only need one night and one day to complete the game. So that's all. Sorry, because I do not prepare anything for this vlog. Just take it and talk. And yeah, I know that's all want me to rewatch this video, but yeah, I really hope that through this video my English can be better. Thank you.